Morning student, I am Sachin Sharma. I'm here with a new video for you. It is uh, on articles which we have studied in a previous video. Before going further, we should have some revision regarding articles. As I told you that articles are two types, definite articles or indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, which are used with singular countable noun depending on the pronunciation. Clear? And definite article is used, which is the is used with different condition. Okay. Two condition I have told you in the previous video. In this video, I will tell you some more condition. Listen, first of all, you just keep one thing in your mind that article the will not be used with any name of a person. Any name of a person. Generally, means in the 99% cases, we do not use article the with any name of a person. As you can see that we cannot use the with Rahim, Mary, Krishna, Mohan, sorry, but we use the with plural nouns referring to the whole family. As we can see here that the Menons. Here, what is the meaning of Menons? Menons means the whole family. We are talking about the family whose surname is Menon. Okay, the Lals, the Williams. Okay, these all are referring for a whole family, not for a particular person. Moving ahead, we use the with these kind of the place noun. Place noun here, oceans and sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea. Some more examples can be given. The Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. It can be also used with bay. Okay, the rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Kaveri. The different rivers with the different name. With the different rivers, we can use article the. Canals, the Panama Canals, the Suez Canals. Mountain groups, the Himalayas and the Alps. Here the students are having some confusion. Suppose this is the peak is Everest. What we will use here? A and the cross. A and the cross. Just think about. If you are thinking that A and it cannot be used in any condition n or the in these two words you can have any doubt and you can be doubtful in these two words. So I would say that there would be no article used. Why? Because listen, at the last line you can see the single mountain. With a single mountain we do not use article the. Lake and single mountain we do not use article the. Here example is given, Lake Michigan and Everest. And Everest we cannot use article the. Clear? Himalaya, when we talk about Himalaya means it is not a single mountain, it is a group of mountains. So Everest is one peak of the Himalaya. So we will use article the with Himalaya. In the same manner, the Alps, it is also a mountain chain, mountain group or mountain chain, you can say anything. Island groups, the West Indies. Deserts, the Sahara, the Thar. We usually use no article with the continent. Europe, Asia, we will not use any article here. Countries like India, Pakistan, city, town, city, Datia, Jhansi, Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur, Lucknow, we will not use any kind of article here. Kolkata example is given there. Exceptions are the names which include word. देखिए, as I told you that we will not use article with country, huh? But exceptions are the names which included word republic, kingdom, union, or state. Means if any word is taken from these words in a country name, so we can use the. We cannot. We use the. It is mandatory. Suppose it is the example is given the Irish Republic. Here we are using word republic. That's why we are using the. The United Kingdom. We are using the United Kingdom. The Netherlands. It's an exception. It's an exception. You just note down separately that when we use word Netherlands as a country, so we use the. Clear? The Republic of China. Okay, so which article will be used with India? No article. Clear? With Pakistan? No article. USSR. So we are which article we will use? The USSR. Okay. Lakes and the single mountain, as I told you that there no article will be used with lakes and single mountains. One more thing I would like to tell for this, that if you play any game, football, cricket, volleyball, so no article will be used with games. Don't say I'm going to play the cricket. And articles are very important. Articles are very important. Keep one in your mind, the article can change the whole meaning of the sentence. Suppose if I say to you that I am speaking the English, I am speaking English. What is the difference between both sentences? If I say I am speaking English, means I am speaking a language. But if I say that I am speaking the English, means I am talking with a person belonging to England. Means I am talking with a person, not language. So an article changes the whole meaning of a sentence. Clear? So I hope that you have learned something. Stay at your home, be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.